code-genie.ai, Vision. Vision is an AI capability that helps with image analysis, which is not a new field. Organizations have been working on this since the 1950s. Their main objective is to ask a computer what it sees in an image and get useful responses. Towards this end, these organizations tried to develop computer systems that would work just like human vision does. Various organizations, including NASA, tried this with X-rays and high-resolution space photography. Image analysis received a considerable boost when AI experts developed and improved AI vision capability. This AI capability uses large image datasets to learn pattern recognition. AI developers make significant use of machine learning and deep learning algorithms to train AI vision systems to accomplish this. AI vision systems perform these tasks. Break images down. The application first breaks down an image into many pixels, which are the smallest units of information in an image. Learning. AI algorithms, including machine learning and deep learning algorithms, help the application to gather information about patterns to learn how to make sense of the images. Extract information. The AI vision application extracts data from pixels and interprets patterns. Classification. The application classifies images by sorting them using learned patterns with predefined categories. Localization. It identifies the location of the image content by deriving patterns from the training datasets and draw a bounding box around it. Object detection. This involves identifying objects belonging to a particular class of objects. For example, this is a dog, not a cat. Semantic segmentation. The AI vision application categorizes pixels for different classes of objects. Instance segmentation. This involves separately identifying different objects that belong to the same class. Use cases for the AI vision capability are found in retail, military, aerospace, automotive, and transportation industries. For example, self-driving cars and shuttle buses significantly use AI vision capabilities by identifying and categorizing objects. It will know the difference between a person, an animal, or other objects in its view. Please click the subscribe button below if you enjoyed this video. Visit us at code-genie.ai.